What is up, guys? We are on to our second last day. My throat. Yeah, I don't know whether it's like the aircon over here or the fresh air, but my throat is absolutely ruined. I sound like Morgan Freeman. But that's all I've been doing all night. But yeah, we're gonna head for breakfast, and then we're just gonna have a float day today, and then tomorrow the same. We don't really have much planned, but yeah, let's head and get breakfast. If I can't get a Mark IV, I think I'll just have to settle for a Mark III. They're a bit cheaper, and I do like the shape of them. The poor 300ZX looks like it's been sitting here a while, a bit rotten. Taillight's missing, but still looks like a good car. R32 GTR shell, another, is it a GTR? Yeah, another GTR shell sitting over there. Don't know what that is. R33. I don't know if it's a GTR or a GTS. Looks like it has wide fenders, like, but they look like they're parts cars maybe. R32. R32. Little Honda it looks like, but yeah, what a shame. 4 cars left here to die. So unfortunately we're not allowed into the garage. They said we can take videos and photos from outside, but it's pretty epic to be here at Top Secret, the actual place where they built that Supra that I seen when I was 12 years of age, rocking down the UK highway doing 300 kilometers. Absolute epic. So yeah, that's Top Secret over and out. So just driving away from Top Secret, we noticed this garage here, and it has loads of lovely cars in it, and I asked the guy was it okay to take some pictures and videos, and he says cool once you don't touch the cars. So let's have a quick look. Beautiful Aristo. Massive Brembos. 4-door R34 GTS-T on 3-spoke Advance. Very, very cool. Lovely S15 on R32 GTR alloys. This is so nice. Beautiful R32 and a beautiful Supra. This thing is badass. Has wide Z-tune wings on it, very awesome, and a wide arch kit. Boot cut out for the spoiler, hard mounted to the chassis. Has to be some sort of like time attack car. Pretty epic. Very cool shop. R33 GTR on the dyno. Maybe we'll walk around the other end and see it on the dyno. Lovely chaser with silly arches on the front, and then the poor 300ZX rotting away. Very cool 14 with the Boss front on it. Very cool. Yeah, nice selection of drift cars here. R32s, R33s, R32, R33, R34. Don't know what that is, it's old school. S15, old R30 Skyline, two S13s, PS13 over there, S15, and what looks like a Versa with a hydro. It's pretty amazing. The R32 with the big dirty shotguns out the back. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. Fully stripped out, ready for racing. Looks like it hasn't been used in a long time, but sure, it's Japan. That's what they do. They leave cars sitting for a long time and then fix them up and drift them. Yeah. Thank you. Lovely R33 GTR. Getting tinkered with. Oh wow. Very beautiful. Ireland, yeah, all the way from Ireland, long way.
Very cold country.
Yes, very cold, always. Very, yes, beautiful today. Look at that engine, man. He said you can come in. That's gorgeous, yeah. So quiet. This place is crazy nice, man. Just GTR bumpers and wheels, parts, little carbon arches, beautiful inlets. Fucking what the crazy. A sea of gearboxes. Like, holy moly. SR20, SR20, that's an RB25, SR20, SR20. Plenty of engines to go with anyway. Sounds sweet as a nut, doesn't it? Yeah. Big turbo, lovely inlet. What a dude. Had us in there, gave us 3 stickers to walk around. Let us take some pictures. What a legend. He has this thing on the dyno, so we stick here for a minute, see if he's going to do a run. There's a kitty cat. The second cat we've seen in Japan. It's crazy. The Kev fella rubbing pussy. It's the only pussy you began on this trip. So guys, we are back at the hotel and we have started to pack. So I'm going to have to leave a few bits and pieces. Not bothered with these trousers. I literally got these for the holiday. I can get more when I get home. They're like a tenner a pair. A few t-shirts I might have to leave. These are all the rubbish from the shoes and stuff I got today. So my suitcase is absolutely stuffed there. And I have everything that I need in both bags. Plus I'm going to wear this hoodie tomorrow. And these jeans, this t-shirt. Unfortunately, I can't fit my Liberty Walk bags in the bag, and I really wanted to bring them. But last dinner now, we're going to head out, get some grub, and call it an early night. We were going to pack tonight, but I just lashed everything over now. So I'm going to meet the lads in the lobby now for some dinner. And yeah, see us tomorrow for the last day. Peace. Hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe. Like, comment. Let me know what you think of Japan, and if you want to go yourself, I can give you some tips and tricks of what I've learned being here, and I will be going again very soon. Peace out, be dedicated, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.